to Randy's Wild Kitchen. Welcome, one and all, to another Randy's Wild Kitchen. We're going to cook something wild today. We're going to cook some steamed callaloo in a slice, Irish potato, carrot, real coconut, with onions. Oh yeah. Pepper, garlic. So that's the base. We're doing a Randy's Wild Kitchen. So now you have, we're gonna let that cook. We're gonna let that cook, that Irish potato. Right, take a look at it. That's Irish potato, tomato, carrots, and onions, and no scallion, and we're gonna let that cook. What we're gonna put 5 green bananas sliced up with the skin in here. This is Randy Wild Kitchen. When I cook, my style, it's wild. All right, so this is gonna be the base, and then we're gonna throw the callaloo in there and steam the callaloo in this broth. So that callaloo is gonna take in, you know, a little bit of food and stuff, you know? You have to know what gives it the color is the rooster soup, right? That rooster Grace soup mix is for soup, but see what we have here. So we're gonna let this cook down in Randy's Wild Kitchen. See you soon. Top burger in the kitchen of the place. Right now, I'm gonna make no up top burger. Let me show you what I'm gonna make. Come talk to me. Look on the thing. The thing I never done before. Go to Up Top Burger on YouTube, see the burger. You know, so you never say. What are you thinking of that?
It's so many driving on. Banana. Tomato, we don't have that for sure.
So, coconut milk, tomato, Irish potato, sweet potato, banana with the skin up top burger.
Yeah, bit higher.
Yes, brother. But up top burger, this is Randy's Wild Kitchen. It's unexpected, right? So now here we know. The rooster soup mix tonight too. The rooster soup mix. We don't use the other word. We said rooster soup mix. Isn't it? You see that thing, that macaroni? Pass it for me. So people don't understand them now over say in a Randy's Wild Kitchen now. Open that for me up top burger. So people, this is up top burger in Randy's Wild Kitchen.
Yeah.
You see me I say?
All tucked out in farmer clothes.
You see farmer might do some plants on sweet pepper. Alright. In Randy's Wild Kitchen. And what we are gonna do up top, right now, we're gonna throw the macaroni in a the people, they've never seen them things before now. They must say, but Randy, you can't do that. Eh? Alright. Because you don't know about the random. Some saltfish? Like so now. Yeah. Give me a feel. You see the blender? Put some more. Take the spills of water in there. I will put some more. Me do it. Or my kitchen. Man, I'm about to come take over my kitchen. Yeah, say I am cooking. Well, so what you been doing on the YouTube channel? Remember, you guys gotta check out Up Top Burger's YouTube channel. What you been doing? Talk to me about the channel. What you been doing?
I'm working on some videos. I'm going to try to post some like doing some live on the side.
Okay. So people, this is Up Top, Google Up Top. So now I'm gonna put some more coconut milk in there so we can cook the macaroni. This thing is a new invention.
Well, it's Up Top Burger channel based on basically my live thing there. show my construction or my farm inside and all that. Sharing everything about me.
What do you think about Jamaica Good Life?
Jamaica Good Life. Wow.
What do you like?
Jamaica Good Life, Mr. Jamaica Good Life takes some farmer from, as what artists say, have nothing to something, bring them to the top.
To the top.
To the top.
From the streets.
Jamaican greatness all over, man.
Yeah, you don't see how we do it. It's like
all the greatness can come out of this, man.
yeah, man, brother. You know, this is a positive movement for Jamaica. You know, I'm gonna put the rest of the rooster. I'm gonna put the rest of the rooster soup mix in it. So what this is, I must say the macaroni night too, you know. And basically we're now gonna put the cheese in it. So make a carb. So I'm gonna put I'll make that cook down. It has a sweet potato slice, carrot slice, tomato, scallion, sliced green banana, right? And real coconut. You might think it's not a soup, right? And it has the macaroni in it. We're gonna add a little bit more salt to it. What is the name? What is the name of this wild dish? Everything I cook it with coconut. You know, if I have saltfish, you know, so. If I boil the saltfish, I just, up top, if I boil the saltfish, I just throw in it. But today, we know what we're going to put in it? Callaloo. People say, oh, what the?
Yeah.
And why am I cook?
I mean, this callaloo tastes good.
The potato tastes good?
Yeah, because, I mean, it's higher than protein, you get out all this, you know, it's a potato.
So, what? You see what going on, me, sir, brother?
Basically, what's the callaloo steam like this? Oh, yeah. That's what I mean, callaloo rice, so we know so this is a good taste.
You see what going on, me, sir, brother? That's what people never see in their life up top, bagger. They never see that in their life. And that's something like around this wild kitchen. Because I know you cook too, right?
Yeah.
So now we're going. So all the people don't like your channel. What
I like the cooking, they like the cooking because I mean I use this big stick them and lagwood and all them. We use hot and put them because you can't see. So it's just authentic, no joke. Fire real hot.
hot.
Yeah man.
I forgot tune in.
You know the problem is when you get a chance to show we are season the meat, because sometimes we have to do some work at the same time.
So how's the building?
I'm building up going on. I mean, running up downstairs. I'm just not the jumbling, man.
You love what you do, right?
Oh man, me enjoy it, but I love it. It's like from nothing to something, you basically say.
Let's sit down and sit with Up Top Bagger on the interview. So this is Jamaica Good Life. Breakfast morning. You have 10 minutes, Bagger? People that know more about you, or you gotta go?
No, 10 minutes.
Okay, bro.
Just one thing I have to pick up on.
All right, let's go talk. Get a chair. Introduce the breakfast morning.
Come on, yo, Up Top is here, Up Top Bagger. That's my channel. Construction worker / farm. As I can see, I'm on the farm. Come check my friend Randy, you know. I'm a cook up a storm, so yeah. Well, my channel is basically me showing my work. Yeah, showing me building, running blocks and all that, and on the farming. Yeah, that's what I do. Do I look at this and look at that? No, but basically that's it. A young farmer trying to make it, and a young construction worker trying to make an honest thing, you know. I think YouTube is the way to bring me to across the world, so yeah, I'm using this forum.
Welcome to Breakfast Morning. This is the first time you're on Breakfast Morning. We're at the camp. Yeah, man. It's been a journey. Cheers, me no say you no drink on weekend. It's a coconut rum.
Yeah.
Let me interview you. Up top bagger.
Yeah.
Let's talk about this country.
Yeah.
Crime.
Crime is on the rise.
What is crime in Jamaica? Why is crime? How are you going to stop it?
Well, one person, the government, the police, the JDF can't stop crime. It have to be a manager where everybody decides that they want crime stop. First and foremost, the thing about crime, the youth them don't want work. They just want money. Every youth want a bike, find a bike, they want a car and them not work for it.
Is it because the elders left them house for live for free? Cause it seems like this generation have somewhere to live for free. You see what I say?
Yeah.
Them have somewhere to live for free. Because if you live, you know, must work.
Yeah, but I
You
mean,
know, must pay bills.
pay a bill, that's the point. They decided to just hustle everybody, say hustle another man. One man say make a fast money, everybody want to go in that lane.
Why is this scamming working? How does it work? I mean, you call some on the phone. So if people stop sending money to Jamaica, if we're really strict on the Western Union, if you're not sure family ties, you can't get money. Is it the Western Union? Is it the MoneyGram? Is that what the scam? Is that what's bringing in the money?
Not really. I mean, scamming is not a thing like a small man thing. So you go all if it stop the Western Union, you gotta come through the bank. See? Cause basically you don't buy. I mean, where you hear something like what will happen. I mean, how can you win a car and you never go to a sign up nothing? How you win?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you win over $1 billion and you never enter nothing.
Mm-hmm.
And you have to pay to get, come on.
Come on, to know what them a fight over. You have different gangs. Them a fight over weed trade, cocaine. What them a fight over? What Jamaican gangs a fight over? What Jamaican man a fight? What them a fight for? What is it? Is it woman, drugs, argument? What is the war about? Cause the money not really there.
Well, when I say, well, the thing is, I wouldn't really say what you say, the money there. Money in the country.
Where the money come
Oh,
from?
the money come from. No, well, basically, you have, as we know, there is every country have a certain amount of money you can carry in it. So I'm on a building house now, I'm working money, and say, so for instance, you can carry $10 million. You work your money house value $7 million, you come in with $10 million. You have a safe in your house. Nobody, you just come to the pool, you keep it at your house, and you have, you have somebody who work it and pay the work money.
Yeah.
So that account so you come through the bank now, but it's here. While another man carry that money and share on people, and then people fight saying share good and all these things. Cause I mean, based on people don't want, it's just that everybody want to reach to the top, nobody don't want to work to go. Just simple. I mean, scam is not based on all the money. I've seen this guy come on a site, he's working, right? He's a laborer, tradesman assistant as they want to be called out, no laborer no more. He take up a shovel, and as a man run a block, he must scrape off his joint them. And the man come every day and see, man, his name right down, and in the end, Friday and get a tradesman paid. It was like the OEM stuff, I've been getting tradesman pay for months, nobody know. Because the man just come and say who I work and say, right, till the man say him to do that. And I look at man say, you man a tradesman, the man say, then how you do the shop? You say, more learn the trade. So, so, do him know and him tell the next man what to do and text man the next man. And next man they have one big company which you can call and then come and say, man come and say, oh, can I get a coffee for Mr. Brown? Oh, I want that black for Mr. Harris. The only difference I use is Mr. He turn up the next morning and say, I want a coffee for Mr. Carter. And they give it to him. It's when the money reach way up, everybody appear as they send the list come, Mr. Carter not appear. Yeah, I know Mr. Carter here. Just like they say on the Carter is the little man who sweep up the place. Oh, you do it. The man saying there's nothing, every man come and say Mr. Brown. He's a Mr. too, so he just go there and say Mr. I didn't know you have to pay for it. He doesn't have money. He can't cover his coffee bill. But he been drinking coffee every day.
So you said people just come on board.
People that come on board. It's just all about mind. Alright, are you? A man will never drive a car for his life. Never drive a car and come and say, yo, give me a drive now, man. And you give him with a driver. Some people now say, yeah, like no. The other day a man buy a car. He man learn to drive and he buy a car. The man go with him coming and him a carry home. The next man say, yo, so you remember family, you know, me I rip up my brother car. When my little boy and brother them have car. He might rip up him, him a go car and the man say, alright, I can drive now. And then bigger brother have gone take them off of one stone. Zoop! I run up on the stone and two-wheeler. I went two-wheeler on the stone, he still up on car.
Real thing?
Real thing.
Real thing. Man,
Real
we can't drive.
Can't drive, he never go on a steering. Just tell the man, so how you are going like me can't drive. Him grew up in a family with cars, so oh yes, he must can drive.
I must can do construction.
That's it, that's the point.
So people just living around it's a delusional.
Yeah.
The mouth farmer with them action. Me a farmer.
If you were
a man say I'm a farmer and him never plant a acre land.
I mean the government say we get out the national ID for farming and him go there and him tell he work with you, we farm. Like them know a man knows say me farm now.
Yeah.
He would there come here and say like when we go on a work doing construction, he come there and look at the farm. And he go and sign a paper and he bring them come to my farm and the government look at it and say my farm. He start to get seedlings and stuff like that. What he do with it? He sell it. If the government say if we get seedlings every month, he will look harder for him
man
and he must sell every month.
Actually use man farm to get
Hustle,
ID.
anything.
Everything they hustle.
Everything. Hustle. That's it. And if you work for him and if the government say I start come to Jamaica now, the farmer will come in, him go in and write up when he lose and he doesn't have a ground.
What else said to me?
That's just how the system works. It's just a man trying to use head. Yeah, so a man here, oh hey, you want to call and get, come on. So I never see this camera. I get called from phone. I must work hard and call and say hello. And like, what you doing sir, what you doing today? I'm like, fine. You win $1,000 or something like that. No, I win a flat screen, a laptop, and a cell phone. And he said, okay, I said, okay then. And he said, oh, for you to claim it, you need to buy $1,000 credit. Because a big phone company says that come true. Because the phone company have a promotion where they give away winning. You're not winning no laptop, you're not winning no computer, and no car. So they use it, to me, he tell me the phone, the laptop, and what else? Somewhere else, 3 something I win. It's the third price, slower price.
Wicked.
And I'm like, okay, so I buy a phone card, buy a phone card from the company. When I buy it, I'm supposed to tell him the number, so let him check it if it's $1,000 card. Because I'm supposed to buy $1,000 card. I said, okay then, I will.
Good stuff. People, you hear what the man I said? But overall, Jamaica is a peaceful place.
Very much peace. People live happily ever after, man.
Yes, sir.
Ever after.
Cause your family, you.
And good people there.
Yeah.
Just last week, my bike axle broke. My bike, you know I ride the bike, right?
Yeah.
The rim broke.
Yeah.
And I was away and someone go, I give a car, I get a rim because I need to go out this weekend. So I get someone go fix the rim. And he go buy the rim, he go fix the rim. And when he come back, he tell me there's something else wrong with the bike. And he fixed that and he go and service the bike.
Yeah,
and he keep my bike till like.
Yeah.
Good people still here?
No, I went to my toilet thing when need to be sealed, my car, a plumbing youth, me now, people don't hear these good stories.
Yeah.
I mean, a hardware store, I look for a certain screw to deal with the thing, and a man hear me and him saying, nah, we'll find that screw there. So, yo, see this screw here. So I'm say, I'm a plumber. I said, okay, so I write him number down. So I want a new plumber, so I call him over the house and, you know, I need the tile for seal. 3,000 a man charge me. Good. I'm saying, so that hole there too, me dig out, me need that for, you think you can, yeah man, maybe. 2,000 more man charge me. 5,000, you know, to seal the hole. Good thing, good. Come and respect that. 5,000 dollar fee. You don't need no mason, you use a plumber, but you seal the thing for me. And you seal the toilet. Happy. You know, stress me. Him show up early, me record it up on the channel. And then the man adjusts the tank. And show me say, oh, the tank that leak. And the man bring me to the house and show me the other tank. Then say, yo, brother, you have water left in that toilet. Me no one knows toilet have water
Yeah,
left.
man. If you pass water level, that means something wrong with it.
It'll go overflow.
And keep running in.
And it'll go, and them teach me how fit the thing happen. Enough people, construction people like you, are going to teach me how to do, you know, wall and smooth up. Enough people in Jamaica will teach you. If your car broke down, man, I stop on
that's it.
Nobody talk about these things.
No.
Them just focus on the crime.
No, because the crime, I get a big talk, everybody want to be in that. Just because that's what it is. Whatever getting a big, that's what they want. Nobody talk about it.
Let's go check the pot. People call a mix. Boom. Up top bagger in the house. Check out the channel, YouTube. Up top bagger on YouTube. Always I push out my brethren. Because life is amazing, and when you have your brethren come over and the callaloo, make a mix them up now. Up top bagger. This has never been done before in history.
You're right about that. I'm all for.
Alright, we have to turn him down now. Because now we're going to mix up the callaloo. Callaloo pretty much steam. So, up top, you see what I'm going there, sir? You have to mount him. Mount the callaloo. You see what happened here, up top? Now you kind of get what's going to happen when you eat this. You see? It's callaloo mixed with food, seasoning. Randy did it again. Maybe I got to throw some cheese on it, but when I do it, people that just kill me. When I do that. But this is a callaloo. Are you gonna have some of this up top? Do you think it's something you would eat?
Yeah, because basically everything in the pot that I eat.
So it's just a mix-up pot.
Yeah.
It have the banana.
Good, I must say it's all in one.
It's an all-in-one. But you see how me deal with it. It look lovely. Macaroni night, callaloo night. Boy. Alright, so this is our breakfast morning. We're gonna just finish it now. Cause we know the callaloo mix. We put some pepper in it, you know. But we need one more scotch bonnet. That's how I love man. See the people. Alright, now this is how you cook in a Jamaica Good Life. Randy's Wild Kitchen. Lovely. Up top, what is your favorite food to cook?
Oh, my favorite food to cook. I love to cook curry chicken now.
Curry chicken?
Yeah. But callaloo, I like to do callaloo with some fuse. I always try to fuse callaloo different. So
Fuse?
Yeah, with something.
Yeah.
I like to fuse with a little pak choy and a little some carrots. They well colorful. It's just colorful.
Okay, so you like to steam the callaloo with thing?
Just, I don't think it's just green.
Green with thing. So I'm turn off the stove and let the pot do the rest. So this, I will get a plate for up top because this is this morning breakfast. We eat and we talk. It's good to have your friends over. You can. Alright, I'm happy. I will turn out. If you look, you know, a real coconut blend in our brother. It's not a coconut powder in our father. Up top, see there. This is Randy's Wild Kitchen. Look there. People, hardly any juice tonight, see it? Callaloo soak up the whole coconut, you dig? Me have salt, me have banana, me have onion, me have scallion, me not scallion, me have garlic, me have pepper, me have tomato, but this is a different kind of pot. Me have sweet potato and me have Irish potato. Alright, so let's, and then we have green people, Randy's Wild Kitchen. Hold on. Alright, people, so we have the macaroni, callaloo, sweet pepper, Irish potato, hot. Callaloo crunchy. Could I steam some more? They're very crunchy, you know?
I think this is just
okay?
That's right.
It's not too salty. And they're fresh though. We don't want to put more sauce in it, but we never put no seasoning in it. But this is kind of like I tell them.
As a matter, this is perfect for you.
You don't eat the green banana or the skin. You don't eat the skin.
No, not all the time. I eat some.
Have you goated soup? You eat goated soup?
No, I don't.
You don't drink?
In a long time. I haven't drink it in a long time. I used to, but didn't buy grain and kind of cut off of meat, so certain things I don't eat anymore.
Because you're family?
Kind of. Liquid, so meat, so liquid that, liquid this now. Me, for a long while, I'm there on, like, we always have for a union, I might just taste a little bit.
Okay.
You know, really. I was never a meat person all along, so.
But this dish is like, it's weird. Never have something like this before.
No, certainly not.
It's kind of like ital. It have sauce, no meat. I'll go watch them one, please.
I think this could be a option for Sunday morning.
This?
The all-in-one. First, you blend up your coconut and while you're doing something, put all-in-one on it. This is an all-in-one. Food and everything inside it. Could be inside the potatoes them cooking, you could be doing something.
You know, this is I can do food not for lonely. Brother, food not for lonely. This is
I have to take a picture.
let's take a picture. Delicious. Not too salty, not too spicy. Food night, tart night, season night. Not gonna make you fat. Not gonna make you dead. No meat. Just a little bit of the rooster soup mix.
It's a Grace Rooster soup mix.
I'm just changing the name. You know what I'm saying? When you cook a real coconut now, you taste the real coconut. You taste it. I think what I want with this now, no funny man. What I want with this is we need some more seasoned salt. We don't have no seasoned salt. I'll bring up the spice a little.
We can do is use mag. Just kind of cutting out the season salt and really use.
Seasoned salt not good.
No. I don't really sure. It's not good for it.
Well, you know something I taste it and it's good, you know? It tastes good, you know, brother?
No, it tastes good. Something I say if anything you're gonna use. So, like Maggi have some season, all purpose season.
And the crunchiness of the carrot and mixed with the food we cook. Why, Randy, may I forgive it to you, and I talk to myself now, the third person. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, this is good, man. She needs to tell you you're gonna put a fish on top and cover it, you know.
Let's see me I put a fish on top.
Yeah.
Next time I'm gonna cook it with sawfish.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fry the sawfish separately and then put tonight. You mix it tonight.
Yeah.
No boil. And because this kind of cooking, you know, it's kind of like Rastaman cooking with salt. You know, I talk, and we can't do the thing without salt. We can't do I talk.
Well, this is natural too.
We cut this sweet potato them thin so them can cook quick.
Dice.
We dice them. And banana it too. This is Up Top Burger, YouTube. Hanging out with Randy Jamaica Wild Kitchen. Wild, we don't do what people do. Everybody does the same thing. Curry chicken, we take it to the next level. Cook that all the time. With a good cholesterol in your system.
Yeah.
I'm just not coconut powder, that's the real thing.
Yeah. I'm so happy I could come in your kitchen this morning.
Give thanks, Burger. Up Top Burger. Give thanks. You know, say me have some pumpkin, I put a pumpkin in too.
Yeah, get a flavor and color too.
The carrot tonight, no. But one time, the carrot only without the pumpkin. Well, the coconut bring it out. The coconut really make it exciting. It at the base. When we say 2-layer coconut milk, we put in the first round, we cook. Then the second round, we steam.
Yeah, I like how fun, trust me. The menu, you should write it.
Yeah, don't worry. But that's I love it, bro. You eat breakfast and you know so you don't kill yourself. You know. I don't know, Carlo and food. Except this together.
Basically, I mean, how this I have on my farm, so just imagine, I could just bring someone to my farm and just wash out my pot, pick a coconut, knock it, great, whip it up with a blender or whatever, and they see everything on the farm. Eat what they grow and grow what they eat.
And it's healthy. I think you can go work with this. It's even have some susum, my brother. Put some susum in this. Even boil the red peas separately and put in this. Red peas. I even baked beans. Lord God. And you can still put the pork in it if you want to cut up pork.
Yeah, for the pork eater.
Yeah.
This is good for me.
Everything.
I don't want no
even
meat
chicken in it.
No, I don't want.
But you don't want to meat in it. But I'm saying, for those who like meat,
yeah, you can put the meat in it.
You can fry the chicken separate, then dice them up and put them right after, or mix up. But just so you know, people can't eat this for breakfast, dinner, and lunch. Mix up crunch. Carlo crunchy. Well, Randy Wild Kitchen did it again.
Yeah, Carlo steam, not cook, not soft, or just cook. Steam.
You get the crunch. So it keeps the iron, because if you cook it out too much, you know, it kill the iron and too much heat. Carlo must just wash it in a salt to get rid of any bacteria and thing. I don't use high drug cook, I don't like vinegar. Vinegar is not man-made. What vinegar is man-made? Vinegar no grow on tree.
Yeah.
It's not natural. Anything processed. I have to give it to myself, man. Hey, people. I'm a good job. I know I'm jealous still, you know. I'm not for jealous, you know. I just have to try it. I'm sure enough to do it. Randy's Wild Kitchen with up top burger, B-A-G-A.
Yeah.
Up top one word.
Yeah. And burger one word. Up top.
Burger one. On YouTube.
On YouTube.
Alright, you see this now? Saltfish. Even mackerel in it. Salt mackerel. Even on the side. So after you do this now, you can make your fried salt. You can, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You can have the mix up with the fried saltfish on the side. I feel that cooking is boring. Everybody on YouTube does the same thing. But cannot say me a fried chicken when 10,000 man a fried chicken.
But cooking supposed to be fun. Every time I eat chicken, I eat it a different style.
Because I don't see enough man fried chicken then boil it in a coconut milk. I don't see it.
No.
And then put Carl, I don't see them.
No, people don't have time for that.
Them not try nothing new out of the box. No man gonna put macaroni with Carlo and sweet potato with onion and sliced green banana skin. But you say, if a man come for breakfast and get this, even when you boil the egg and cut it up night after, you know what them do salad with eggs?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what I miss? Okra.
Yeah.
And chocho. Guys, the chocho and put it in it. But up top, you like it, man. Give thanks, no brother. Give thanks. Give thanks. You not do it for the screen.
No, sir. Do it for the body. This is what I like, man.
No meat.
No meat.
No meat. Run this semi-ital. Well, thank you for watching, you know. Really love you. Thank you for joining me on Randy's Wild Kitchen. When you come to Jamaica, come in my Wild Kitchen. Girls, let's act wild in the kitchen. You know what I'm saying?
Like cooking.
Girls, coming around the Wild Kitchen, let's do some wild things in the kitchen. When I come to Jamaica, I have it. We have to get a Randy name. Come up with a Randy Wild Kitchen, Wild Style Carlo. Call it Wild Carlo.
I think there's a Carlo called White Carlo. Everybody gonna want it because the Carlo is stronger than the normal Carlo, the wild one, some red one.
The wild one.
Yeah.
But I wish that, I think it's like this.
Randy Carlo dish, man.
I forget a name of Jamaican them know. No comments.
Yeah.
Give this a name. So the whole Jamaican them say, yo, Randy did invent that, you know?
Food infused with Carlo. What's the up top saying? Randy put it, name it, because I want to see it now. I want the menu right out. You can try it.
You can't afford the macaroni, you know?
No, the macaroni. You can use any macaroni, you have to choose them. You know, you have the.
Even if you don't want to put the cheese night, it's a ball out. But you probably run the stomach.
Yeah, too colorful the cheese.
But when I put sweet pepper in it, okra, but for what we have, and what I like about this dish, I eat it hard, but my nose say it's good for me. You see what I said? So this is Randy's, no comment. So we're done. Plate empty. Randy's Wild Kitchen. Nobody does it like Randy. So up top there.
Yeah, man. No jokes. Eat everything down. Randy Wild Kitchen.
Randy's Wild Kitchen later.